Can you say the word freedom? Now, what do I mean by freedom? I mean freedom from being broke, freedom from the 9 to 5, freedom from someone controlling your time, freedom to wake up whenever you want to, right? Freedom to set your own schedule and do what you want. Now, the only way you're going to be able to do that is by being your own boss. And why not be your own boss by running and starting a lucrative credit repair business? Now, if you answer yes to any of these questions, then you are ready. Question 1. Do you like credit repair? Question 2. Have you ever worked on anybody's credit report? And if the answer is yes, then you are ready to start a lucrative credit repair business. You see, it doesn't require a whole lot to start and run a lucrative credit repair business. It just requires dedication, skill, motivation, and drive. My name is Mark Claiborne, and I'm the founder of StartupCreditRepairBusiness.com. And at StartupCreditRepairBusiness.com, we train new entrepreneurs how to start and run their own lucrative credit repair business. Hey, listen, if you're ready to break away from the 9 to 5, if you're ready to set your own price, if you're ready for freedom to travel when you want, to buy the things you want, then it's time to take your skill level, and put it to use and start your own credit repair business and gain freedom. Click the link below as we have a 30-day free trial on how to start and run a credit repair business. I'm going to give you 30 days of training on how to start and run your own credit repair business. All you have to do right now is click the link below to get started.